There is one important question from the chapter quadratic equation of class 10th CBSE board. The question is, look at this equation, L minus m x square plus m minus n x plus n minus n is equal to 0. For this quadratic equation, if the roots are equal, this condition will happen. If 2L is equal to m plus n, the roots of this equation will be equal. Verify that the roots of the quadratic equation are equal if this condition holds. So from the equation, see, comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c, the standard equation, if you compare the given equation with the standard equation, you can see that the value of a here it is L minus m, b will be m minus n, bx plus c it is n minus l. So if the roots are equal, what we have learned? We know that if the roots are equal, b square minus 4ac will be 0. Look at the values of a, b and c. If I have to use this method, first I have to expand this m minus n the whole square minus 4 into a, it will be L minus m, into c, it will be n minus L is equal to 0, and by solving this only I will reach this condition. But if we carefully look at the coefficients, if we add a, b and c, you can see that a plus b plus c, it is L minus m plus m minus n plus n minus L plus n minus L got cancel, minus n plus n cancel, plus n minus n cancel. The sum of the coefficients of this equation is 0. If the sum of the coefficients is 0, you can see that the value of x we have put here will be 1. That means 1 is a 0 of the given equation. If you substitute x is equal to 1 in the equation, L minus m plus m minus n plus n minus n will become 0. So this happened, so we can say that x equals 1 is a root, is a 0 of the given equation. So by simply observing the sum of coefficients, we can directly say that the root, one of the root of the equation is x is equal to 1. Now come to the condition, the roots of this equation are equal. That means if 1 0 is 1, the other root will also be 1. That means alpha and beta both are 1 in this case. If alpha and beta are 1, now come to the product of zeros. We know that product of zeros will be C upon A. That is alpha into beta. 1 into 1 will be C, here it is n minus L, divided by A is L minus m. Cross multiply, L minus m is equal to n minus L. Bring L to the left side, 2L is equal to m plus n. So simply by observing the sum of coefficients, we have directly reached the result instead of expanding this big expression. If the roots of this equation are equal, the roots will be 1 and 1, and we got our condition. I hope you understood the question.